Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of overall natural gas, what we have seen that after making this particular high, it came low, and you can see that it is around October of 2021, and after that it was continuously down, middle of around $3.4, and from there it has continuously up. Okay, if you look at clearly, what you can see, a cup pattern was forming at this particular range. Okay, and the probability, if you have been following my videos, I have already told you that if it sustain a level of 4.8, we can see it can move to a level of 6.6 and then it can touch a level of $8. If you have been in my Telegram channel, you know that I have updated this information. Okay, you can check it. If you have any doubt regarding commodities, natural gas or any other stocks or forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical forex and commodities are working, and Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join. See, overall I want to tell you that from 2019 it is in the range. Once this high of around 4.8, if you look at this, because this is from so long, then again it made a high of around 6.5, I have told you, and after that it came down to a level of 3.5, and then from there we have seen a continuous rise. Okay, and continuous rise because there is a U pattern forming, and along with it we can see a cup pattern was forming. The probability of going high was very high. Now what we can see in the next week, see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $8.2, and if that level also sustain, this particular resistance sustain, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 8.8 also. Okay, and once 8.8 sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 9 also. Okay, and then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so this is what I am telling you is according to 4-5 years now. If you look at the chart from overall point of view, that means before 10 years, what we can see that it has made another new high. See, if you go on before around, if you go on around 2002 or 2006, what we have seen that the volatility was in natural gas is high, as well as it made a high of around 14 also, and from there we have seen a high of $16 also. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go to a level of 8.185, and from there if it touches this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.395, and then it can touch a level of 8.520, and this 8.520 is already being tested here. So probability of touching further upside, that is around 8.981, is very high, and once this level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 9.441. okay, if it sustain a level of 9, but because this is the range where we have seen the resistance were high. Okay, so probability will be high that we can see a range at around 8.2 to a level of 9, and from there we can see further upside, because after this particular range we have seen that the volatility is very high. Okay, it can touch 10 also, and once if it goes above a level of 9, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 12 to 14. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, we have seen a range bound. Okay, so what we can see, once this particular level didn't sustain, trading at around 7.998, what we can see, it can come down to a level of 7.892, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 7.557. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of 7.348. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 7.055. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 6.720, and 6.720 is a point where is a support, which if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 6.421. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 6.343. once the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.967, and from there we can see a level of 5.422. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 5.255, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 5.129. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.711, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 4.167. okay, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 3.413 also. okay, but as of now what we can see in the next week, that if it sustain a level of 6.7, we can see it can bounce back from this level, or if it sustain above a level of 8.2, then we can see it can move further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now, and something that you have to understand, if you are trading is a risky thing. okay, most of your traders lose money. okay, so you have to follow some certain rules, and you have to consult your financial advisor before you invest or trade. See, now suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital per trade. okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. okay, so now why I'm telling you this, because if you take 5 trades, you know your risk will be $500. okay, so if you lose 5 trades, your risk is $500. then the next day you can exit that particular all trades, and then from the next day you will not focus to recover this amount, you will focus on profit. That is, psychology plays an important role. But if you, in order to recover the same amount, if you can lose much more of your capital if you haven't set your risk, okay, per trade. What people do is they keep on trading and they lose their capital. That is the thing. okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me regarding this, and then we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.